Good morning to you. Hi, good morning. Hi, Rilo. I beat them. What? What? Number one. Thank you, Ray. I'm gonna be forever young. Good morning. Good morning. Ray, you will never beat me. you. Lol, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Forever. Yo. Ala ala ang kasama ang isang daling dati nung siya. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po sa nag-thumbs up. Sa thumbs up, say limit. Thank you for 3 people here. Thank you so much. I'm getting the boys to read at homework, dinner, etc. Then I'm off back to work. Okay. Okay. Where did Sam go? Sam go? I don't know. Hi, Harley. Hi, hello. I'm here. I'm here. Thank you po. It's been a long time. Yeah, it's been a long time to go to join here, Harley. Harley. How are you, Harley? The name Harley is for woman. Harley here is a woman. I'm a right. I right. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm a man. Ah, you're a man. Sorry. Ah, sorry, Harley. Cheryl, are you thinking the name Haley? Okay, Haley. But Harley here is a woman. Harley here is a woman named Harley. Haley. But her name Haley is not his real name. Her real name. Using fake name. I don't know why. Why are they using fake name? Thank you for the thumbs up. Here it's a man. Ah, okay. Sorry po. Sorry, Harley. Sir Harley. Harley's a man. Where are you from, Sir Harley, again? Maybe you are from America? Hmm. Arizona, USA. Ah, you are from Arizona. Oh, oh, Arizona, USA. Aray ko. They use a fake name so they don't get caught cheating if their husband or wife walks by them. Yep. Maybe. I don't know. Sorry, Tim, I'm not married. Been divorced for 23 years. Ah, you've been divorced 20 years. Wow. So are you single, Sir Harley? That's all I can think. Ah, okay. Ah, I remember you finding someone here before, and that's I said, okay, my friend Ruby. Oh my, I'm not talking to people in general. Yes, I remember before Sir Harley. Ah, okay. So, how are you now, Sir Harley? If I'm someone, I'm doing fine, thank you. And how are you? I'm fine too, Sir Harley. I'm good. My eye bags. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba? Why are you not married yet? Um, just preparing for marry. Preferring. Soon I get married. Before, uh, for the past years, no one can marry me. They don't like me. I can't find someone. But now, uh, someone marrying me this year. Sure, why you have eye bugs? Didn't you sleep yet? Well, yes, I'm not sleep well. I'm not sleep well. I have wrinkles na. Oh my god. Look. Oh la la. Gusto na. Why didn't you sleep well? Why didn't you sleep well? What's bothering? I overthink a lot. Someone blaming me. Uh, what do you mean? People don't like you? Of course, they do. You're beautiful. You're very nice, and there's no reason why you should not be married. Marrying someone is I don't know. But this year, I'm getting married. Saludos to Venezuela, Maracaibo, Harazinka. I'm overthinking if someone telling me, "Oh my God, your lipstick is mine. The money on your pocket is all mine." Oh, I overthink a lot when I eat the food. That's mine. Because of mine, you have a food. Oh, Cheryl, you're having a good life now because of me. Ha! Oh my god. Ayash, Ayash. I don't think someone say that. Oh, someone say that. That's why I overthink. Yes, greetings from my Venezuela homeland. Hi, Sir Asenco Dale from Venezuela. How are you there? Well, congratulations. I must say goodbye. My dogs are hungry and want water. Have a good night. Have a good night, Sir Harley. God bless always. Thank you for joining here, sir. Hi, Rasenka Dale. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? I'm fine, guys. How are you, guys? I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. It's night here. Okay. Good evening there, guys. I will just get to me feeling love, fighting against all odds. I know it'll be alright. Darling, just so thank you for the 28 people here. Thank you guys. On my hand, there's gonna be. You like to sing, yes. I love. I like to sing. Thank you for 23. Thank you for. I'm gonna. Guys, hit the like button. I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Also, watch here short videos so she can get monetized. Thank you po. Thank you, team. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone here. I love you all day. It's a monomal day. It's all day. Today I heard a very nice chosen song. It's Littlest Jump and Dance. Euroget. Hi Euroget, Turkey is here. Is hi. Hi from Turkey. Rasen Kedel. Today I heard a very nice jump and dance. Oh, yes. Thank you for the 16 people here. Thank you po. Salamat sa nanonood. Sa nanonood. Nasa biyahe na si Moy. Pep, pep. Na lipstick. That's so pretty. Simply Pretty by Ebon. Wait lang, I need to get the hot water for coffee. Wait. Wait, guys. Oh my god. Mahirap. Yes, wait lang. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. I know if you have heard, I don't understand Chinese language, sir. Team, did you see your stepson dance move? Ah, okay. Is this so? I can't understand the Chinese language. Zura Senkadale because I'm not a Chinese, I'm a Filipino. So go ahead, man. No, he's not too much in dancing. He is in school now, Ray. Yes. He is in school. My son, he is in school. Laboratories. Laboratories. What are you talking about? Who is the little boy who was outside the room? Gia? Gia? My nephew. My sister's son. Who was, yes, Filipina pero enchendes Espanol. Yes, a little bit enchendes Espanol, Filipina. We have Espanol's few language, some language here like La Mesa, like something like that. Kumusta? Oh, your nephew, he was dancing. Why is not he in school? No, he's school because today having a practice for Buwan ng Wika. Gab compete afternoon here. Rasenka Dale. Yeah, Dale. Why me? Why? Why? Oh my god. It's like a pearl. Para aray ko. No, pwedeng na. Okay na. Wait. Just wait lang. I find my nephew. Hi! We don't need to see him. Huh? Liberty said English. Come on, guys. Hit like. Have you heard of Venezuela? Yes, sir. I heard Venezuela. And the people there is the beautiful woman for the Miss Universe. Yes. And beautiful people there. Who Thank you for the thumbs up. Sige, sige, malibang. Ligaw tingin na huhulog na ako sa'yo. Isip ko. Ano? Gio! 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 Bakal kasi ng mayonnaise. Karatita Hulya. Ay, hindi karatita Glinda. Mayonnaise. Opo. Ano? Ladies choice. Mayonnaise. Thank you for the 18 people watching. My God. Against it. Di ko alam ko sa'yo. Isip mo. Puso mo. Yay! Oh my gulay! Tahimik. Ano tayo ba pag-uusapan? Mga makulit. Junilyn Mix Vlog. Hi, Junilyn. Junilyn. Where you from? Taga saan ka, Junilyn? Where are you from, Junilyn? Cheryl, why you don't you buy a big jar to put in the refrigerator, the mayonnaise? The mayonnaise is expensive here. Can you imagine when I put the jar, the mayonnaise, then I buy something another Maasin cities. Okay, sorry. Uh, okay, I will buy mayonnaise, a big jar like this. I like this. Yesterday I forgot to buy because I need to tipid. I need to the money. But mayonnaise lasts long time. Or get a yes, to get a medium, yes. Jadi, hanya na ano mo, tabihan mo. Matiyo na. Matiyo na. Ano na? Ano lang yun. Kuha sa mo na lang. Shout out sa tanan. Shout out sa tanan. Channeling Mix Vlog. Mayonnaise.
Wala kayo.
Ay, sorry lang.
Kumain eh.
Ano, hanggang mamayang hapon yan ha. Kana, Gio. Kaon kita. Hi, Manuel. Ano? Wait lang. Ito na. Ano sasabihan? Paging tatagan. Lagi mong gagamitin yan na wala na. Ray and oh guys, talk don't stop. Hi po, hi Loren, Alulud. Hello Loren. Ray and Water Talk. Walter. Ikaw tingin na hulog na ako sa'yo. Guess Anderson Talk. Who's that? Sika, Safiola Ansari. Safiola sa puti. I'm fine, Safiola. How about you? How are you? I'm fine. Me too. Manuel talk. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Yes, I'm going to his school to watch him. Afternoon here, the 2 p.m. at the afternoon. I felt nervous about him. It's the first time. Okay, good. I need to cut her hair. I'm going to the barber shop. Yes, haircut. Oh my God! Pucha! Nakakanto ka pa lang? Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Lola.
Oh my God, ang baby. Ang bango-bango.
Eh,
What you want, baby ko? What do you
wala.
want? Oh, wala, nothing. I said her, what do you want? She said nothing.
Pagkatiri po ako.
Kagayong gayon daw sa dinabata ba to?
Ma!
I know she have a practice because she dance. She dance. Ba't ba baby ko?
So guys, pamangkinig ko lang.
Son, I have a daughter.
Hindi po ako verso.
Dili po siya guys, dili po. Dili po kagay, dili po. Dili po kagay, dili po kagay, dili po. Nanggigigil ako. Sa luwas na sa mga practice? Ay, ano ka ba?
Stage.
Oh my God, main mo na ako.
Kung sa stage sira.
Kahapon? Kumain mo na ako, girl.
Tat. So guys, tumboy ako.
So that doesn't mean all is called to the yes. Gigigil ako talaga. Madagadahan ang panchuling, oh. Manchuling. Ang chuling. Makapraktista ka mo. Oh my God, makatulog maupod man ako. I watch. Bye-bye. I watch their practice now. Bye-bye.
Ka pa.
Bye, guys.
Ikaw, malas sa race.
I'm go with them. I watch the practice. Bye-bye. Love you, my team. Love you all. End live, yes. I ended live now. See you later. I do live tonight here. Bye-bye. Call me, yes.
Masayaw si Tita.